Many drugs can affect the neurotransmitters and the reuptake and the degrading, the releasing, and sometimes they can be removed. So, an example of a drug um, being done to a neurotransmitter would be THC, so cannabis. So their electrical signal will always turn into a chemical one. I know there's like two different ones. The calcium channels will open when being stimulated. Being stimulated, which it will, the receptors will bind in quickly when taking the drug. So the neurotransmitters will act differently in order for them to bind. The reuptake happens next. So if there is no action, it will stay in the synapse and will not move. If being stimulated, the enzymes can start to break down and they can start to degrade. So the neurotransmitters can get released. So before the enzymic degradation, they can be released and they can be like broken down. And a reuptake happens, and then the neurotransmitters takes them back into the terminal, what's it called? The terminal buttons. Once they get back into the terminal button, they can be like reused, and then the cycle goes again and again. So when this happens, for the example that I use, THC, so afterwards the person can be more relaxed or in a state of mind where they're at peace. But it can amplify their vision, their hearing, their sensations, so they are not the same. So these receptors that bind into them can cause all of these and interfere with it.